Futuristic technology inventions, unveiling a world of possibilities. The world of technology is in a constant state of evolution, with futuristic inventions that challenge the boundaries of imagination. These groundbreaking innovations are reshaping industries, enhancing daily life, and setting the stage for a future that seemed like science fiction only a few years ago. In this article, we embark on a journey through some of the most captivating futuristic technology inventions, exploring their transformative potential and the SEO ranking they hold as widely searched topics. 1. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is poised to revolutionize the computing landscape by harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics. Unlike classical computers, quantum computers utilize quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This exponential processing power promises breakthroughs in fields such as cryptography, drug discovery. 2. Biotechnology and gene editing. Advancements in biotechnology, such as CRISPR gene editing, offer the promise of targeted genetic modifications and potential cures for genetic diseases. The ethical and scientific implications of gene editing make this futuristic technology a highly SUF. 3. Renewable energy innovations. In the pursuit of sustainable solutions, futuristic technology inventions in renewable energy are gaining momentum. From solar energy and wind power to innovative energy storage solutions, the push for green alternatives addresses environmental concerns. 4. Biometric technologies and security. Biometric technologies, such as facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and iris recognition, are paving the way for advanced security systems. These futuristic inventions offer enhanced authentication and access control, revolutionizing security measures in various sectors, including finance, transportation, and border control. 5. Space tourism and commercial spaceflight. Space tourism and commercial spaceflight represent the realization of long-cherished dreams of space exploration for civilians. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are making space accessible to private citizens, opening up the cosmos for tourists and researchers alike. 6. 3D printing and additive manufacturing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing traditional manufacturing processes. This futuristic technology allows the creation of complex and customized objects by adding layers of materials. From rapid prototyping to personalized medical implants, the limitless possibilities of 3D printing draw significant attention. 7. Blockchain and decentralized technologies. Blockchain technology is disrupting traditional systems by offering decentralized, transparent, and secure ways of recording and verifying transactions. Beyond cryptocurrency applications, blockchain is transforming industries such as supply chain management, voting systems, and digital identity verification. The potential to revolutionize data integrity and create new paradigms in various sectors places. 8. Neurotechnology and brain-computer interfaces. Neurotechnology is at the forefront of merging human cognition with technology. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, enable direct communication between the brain and external devices, opening doors to assistive technologies for people with disabilities and potential cognitive enhancements. The fusion of neuroscience and technology captures widespread interest.